everyone, hello my friends, how are you? I hope you're fine. Welcome again to my channel Learning English with Mela. In this video, we will learn other ways to say sorry. Because sorry is the most useful word in our life, so we must change the others. So after we start, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. So now, let's start. I told you that from now don't say the word sorry because it's used a lot of times. Let's use some examples when we can use the word sorry. Sorry for being late. I'm sorry for the confusion. She's sorry for the delay. I'm sorry for my words. Sorry for any trouble. I'm truly sorry. Sorry about the description. Sorry if I was unclear. Clear? And there is many examples when we can use the word sorry. Now we will move to other ways to say sorry. The first way to say sorry is the expression my mistake. Also express the apology. If you are making a small mistake, you can use the expression my mistake to apologize. Let's choose some examples. My mistake, misunderstood. My mistake, should have checked. My mistake, missed the detail. My mistake, sorry for the confusion. My mistake, wrong document. My mistake, missing traps. My mistake, missed the change. My mistake, forgot the attachment. Clear? The second way to say sorry is the expression my apologies. Also express the apology and express how to say sorry. Let's choose some examples. My apologies, I was unclear. My apologies for the oversight. My apologies if there is any confusion. My apologies, that wasn't my intention. My apologies for the inconvenience. My apologies for the misunderstanding. My apologies, I overlooked that. My apologies for the error. Now we will move at the third way to say sorry. And now the expression my bad. Also express the word sorry, and if you are making a small mistake and you want to apologize, you can use this expression my bad. Let's show some examples. My bad, I didn't catch that. My bad, overlooked a key detail. My bad, sent the incorrect file. My bad, misunderstood your point. My bad for any confusion caused. My bad, missed the meeting updates. My bad, forgot to include attachments. My bad, misinterpreted your message. My bad, didn't intend to cause trouble. So these three ways to say sorry are used to tell or to apologize for small mistakes, not big mistakes. Now we'll move at how I can apologize. Other expressions, how I can apologize of big, for example, big mistakes without using the word sorry. The first expression is I want to apologize to someone or for something. So here, if you are making a big mistake and you want to apologize, you can use this expression. I want to apologize to someone or for something. About this topic, when we can use to and when we can use for, I already made about a video about all this very detailed with all details, and you will know it very well if you are watching. The second expression is I owe you an apology. Also, it's used when you are making a big mistake and you want to apologize. You can use this expression. Now we'll move at the two last expressions if you are making a big mistake. The first one is I sincerely apologize for my behavior, for my actions, for the trouble that I've caused. And the second one is I take full responsibility for something. So I teach you today 3 ways to say sorry if you are making a small mistakes, and 4 ways to say sorry if you are making a big mistake in front of your company, your director, etc. Thank you for watching. I hope to understand this video so well. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, like this video, and share with your friends. Don't forget also a small comment to encourage me to do other new videos. Goodbye, see you next time in next video.